Hello, my guys, and welcome. I'm very happy you are here today. This video is made especially for people who want to improve their English skills. Reading and listening practice. The boy who never gave up. Graded reader, Lear. Whether you are a beginner or at an intermediate level, this story will help you practice your reading and listening. The story shows how he works hard, never gives up, and learns important lessons about success and life. You can pause the video anytime to practice speaking or to check a word you don't know. You can also listen again to hear how sentences flow naturally. Ravi was a poor boy from a small village in India. His father was a farmer and his mother worked at home. They didn't have much money. Some days they had only one meal to eat. But Ravi had a dream. He wanted to become a teacher. Every morning, Ravi walked 5 kilometers to school. He didn't have shoes, so he walked barefoot. His clothes were old and torn, but he never missed a day of school. He sat in the front row and listened carefully. He loved to learn. At night, he studied by the light of a small oil lamp. His parents couldn't help him with homework, but they always told him, "Study hard, son. One day, your life will change." When Ravi passed 10th grade with high marks, his teacher noticed his hard work. The teacher helped him apply for a scholarship. Ravi got it. He was the first person in his family to go to college. College was hard. Many students came from rich families. They had laptops, fancy clothes, and spoke English fluently. Ravi felt shy and out of place, but he didn't give up. He studied late into the night and worked part-time to pay for books and food. He also learned English by reading newspapers and watching English news. One day, Ravi saw a notice for a government exam to become a teacher. He decided to try. He studied for months, sometimes skipping meals to save money for exam fees. He failed the exam the first time. He cried that night, feeling like a failure. But he remembered his parents' words, "Don't give up." So he tried again, and this time he passed. When Ravi got the job, he couldn't believe it. He ran home to tell his parents. His mother hugged him and cried. His father smiled with pride. The whole village celebrated. Ravi had done it. He had turned his dream into reality. Now, Ravi teaches in a government school near his village. He wears clean clothes, speaks confidently, and helps poor students just like he once was. He tells them, "If I can do it, so can you." He also built a small library in his village using part of his salary. Children come there every day to read and study. His story inspires many. Ravi's journey was not easy. He faced hunger, failure, and doubt, but he never gave up. His strength was not in money or smartness. It was in his heart, his hope, and his hard work. And today, that poor barefoot boy is a respected teacher, changing lives one student at a time.